So an air source heat pump is a heating device that uses the refrigeration vapor compression cycle to recover heat from the outside air and then discharge that heat into a water circuit to provide hot water and heating for a domestic property or even larger commercial buildings. This unit here at Ferndale will be providing all the hot water and heating needs for the property via underfloor heating and radiators on the ground and first floor, and then a 200 litre domestic hot water cylinder for all the hot water needs. The way the air source heat pump here at Ferndale operates is it uses a refrigerant circuit. So we're evaporating a refrigerant at a very low temperature and then passing the outside air using a fan across the heat exchanger. That's then absorbing heat from the outside air, even when the temperature's in sub-zero conditions. And that heat is then compressed using the refrigeration compressor, and that heat's then rejected through another heat exchanger through the pipework running through the unit, and that's then diverted either to the hot water cylinder or to the radiators and underfloor heating to provide heating for the property. The main difference between an air source heat pump and a traditional high temperature heating system like oil or gas is that we run at much lower flow temperatures and for longer periods, because the heat pump likes to run low and slow at that low output, where it will run at its maximum efficiency. But the benefit is that you have a comfortable house 24 hours a day. It heats all the furniture, all the fabric, so you don't experience cold spots, and generally people find that a more comfortable experience to live with. So there's a huge carbon reduction in using an air source heat pump because we're using electricity and not burning fossil fuels, gas, oil, LPG. And the additional benefit with this property is we also got solar and batteries, so the homeowner can generate their own energy and then use that to power the heat pump, whereas that wouldn't be possible if they're using fossil fuels. So my advice for anyone that's looking at installing an air source heat pump in their home would be to find a reputable installer that fully understands the design, installation and commissioning process involved in heat pumps to ensure long-term reliability and efficiency.